Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi bafethu angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Sure bafethu uJuju lo JU nothing less nothing more kuphelele lapho.
Yebo baba.
Showcase.
Yeah bafethu.
Yeah.
On today's episode we are looking into Orlando Pirates journey with Black Label. Yeah, I will call it that way because it's the only big team
Vele.
honestly speaking. Some of the channels even mentioned that having a big team go final, it actually makes business sense.
It makes business sense.
Yeah. Others chose to cut it short, okay? It wasn't our choice.
Yeah, thina sisastikile nje. Sisahlele kanje. Sisayibambe ngolive. And sisazoyibamba until final, until actually we win the cup.
Yeah. Into that we notice kahle masihleli la notice ukuthi actually everyone was had us before. I think it's this tournament because even in the previous year, not last year, the previous year, I think Eritas Bay who took us out of the tournament because we had been taking MTN and Netbank, so the only cup that we were struggling to in here. Yeah. So and we sorted those chimpanzees.
Magesi beyisikoloda. That's what we said on our previous game. Iyasikoloda and we are going to deal with them, and we did exactly that. Astilile now on to the next one, on to the next victim.
Yeah.
Richards Bay.
Coincidentally, the next victim is the one who beat us.
Nabo, there's only one thing you're going to do. So thila nje nabo, siyogudla nabo sihambe nabo ngolayini. It's simple le. So I complicated.
Yeah, man. Another thing to mention, it's the only cup that Pirates doesn't take as often as we would want it to. We would want to take it because league, yes, Sundowns has taken it 8 times in a row. Take nothing away from that perspective because we haven't been doing well, all of us, not only
all of us.
Orlando Pirates. Yes, but this league, this cup, we Black Label, even before when it was in knockout. Remember, we used to be beaten even in my final.
Yes.
Remember, there was one final we were beaten by Platinum Stars by the days. This guy who plays for the Wolves now. He actually got a red card in the game.
Monet.
Yes, Marshall Monet. He was playing a defender. I remember that game. We were beaten by Abo. I forgot this guy who was wearing 21.
Yeah. No.
A Platinum Star.
Yeah, no. Okay. I remember those days as well. I know we've been struggling. Very much. We've been struggling. We haven't had it easy. Being beaten by small teams like Omaki.
Yeah.
Being taken advantage of by or Richards Bay. It's not nice. It was not nice. And then I think the boys went to the game with the mindset that it's a small team, we're going to win. And then but so far so good, man. In this season, I think the Pirates has risen from the issues. It's not like we were feeling but we are coming nicely. We are doing extremely well.
Yeah. The one thing I want to mention, in fact, I was just thinking of it before we recorded this morning. We have to thank Corivero for building the foundation because these are the rewards of having a strong foundation, and also our management because they the ones who give us the direction. Picking up one over Rulani, it wasn't easy. For me, I didn't accept it.
Yeah, most of us wanted Rulani.
Exactly. But you see, this guy is a good tactician, honestly speaking. You see the way he substitute players, the way he gives minutes, he tries to balance the team by all means. You see, now we are out of the CAF, unfortunate, but it may be a blessing in disguise where we would be able to compete in 4 competitions and actually win all of them.
Yeah,
that's the reality.
That's
Because
the
Orlando
reality.
Pirates is a force to be reckoned with.
Exactly.
To be honest with you.
And I like the fact that we know in management, in Pirates, how they can get with the coach sometimes.
Yes.
And it looks like so far, Owadu is given that chance
Exactly.
to do as he wants as a coach.
Yeah.
I hope it continues like that, because we know we've had complaints previously with Abu Prasbanban. I don't want to mention names that they control.
Soul, yeah,
Exactly. Yeah, we're not mentioning names, but may his soul rest in peace. We know that they have that tendency, like what's the other team that does that in Africa? Yala.
Yes.
They are legends, telling Opito and whoever coaches what to do, how they play. I don't know why they
in fact, all of the North African teams.
I don't know why they don't
our coaches still
go there.
Okay.
Yeah, but with Wadu, we see the guy is passionate. The guy is very passionate. He wants the boys to play. Don't want them to shop or and waste passes and what he complained that you can't have 6 passes in a space of 2 meters. That's wasteful. We must, if we want to win, if we want to focus, we must play football, pass forward passes. That's the mentality we want from a coach. That's the mentality that the coach must instill in our players. So if they do that, glory days are upon us.
Yeah. Because another thing that we want, we want a lot of goals in our games.
Yes.
Honestly speaking, we want a lot of goals. I think beginning of this run, we were winning 3-0 most of the game. That's what we want.
That's what
consistently.
We want. Yes.
Because competing against the teams like your Mamelodi Sundowns, they score a lot of goals in this small team. So if you're happy to win 1-0 or 2-1, it's a win at the end of the day, but it doesn't help you when it comes to the competition.
3 points. 3 points is important as much as the goal difference are. We need goals.
Yeah.
And with the Black Label, one thing I like about it is that both teams are in this province. Both games are in this province. Sadly, they have not announced the venues, but hopefully Pirates and Richards Bay plays Emapida instead of in Richards Bay. And we will be there. We shall be there. No matter what.
Yeah. That's true. And we are hoping to meet one person who had us this season. It's even worse.
Not long ago. This is
not long ago.
Yeah.
Marumo. The friends of Marumo.
After the draw, I say the Orlando Pirates versus Marumo Gallants at Moses Mabhida for final. But sadly, I'm not sure about the pitch since both games are playing here. Might be the change of venue. Maybe they will take it to Mpumalanga as always. Not as always, but as one of the Mbombelas, one of the stadiums that plays the final. Because you can't take it to Soweto, you can't take it to Soccer City or Orlando. Orlando or FNB. But we don't know. We'll see. Only the management of Black Label will decide that Mapida will host the final.
Yeah. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like share.
Share.
Tell your friends
on all social media platforms.
We are there.
Yeah.
We are on all the socials that you can think of. Well, not on Twitch, but yeah.
X.
On X, yes.
Facebook, Twitter. Twitter is X.
Yeah.
TikTok. Instagram.
Yeah.
Everywhere. WhatsApp, statuses, family, friends, brothers, sisters,
even WhatsApp broadcast.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see you on another one.